Installation on this is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Open this piece up, attach it there. And put on the top. There's 2. Hi there, you just saw me assemble these 3 wire baskets for the countertop within seconds. I want to show you what I like about this product, but first let me thank the brand for sending it to me so I can show it to you. Now let's check these out. They are made from heavy-duty carbon steel. They unfold, as I said, and simply clip into place, as you can see, and as you saw in the previous video. Nice sturdy tops on them in case you want to use the top for a shelf. They're stackable, and you can also choose to use the included hardware to mount them on a wall. Today, I want to show you how I plan to use these in my kitchen. Let's go. This is what I had in mind for this when I was looking for it. I have this little coffee nook here, and I like to keep all my teas and coffees and everything in one place, but I don't have a ton of space. So that one shelf is holding all of it. If I were to go ahead and stack up another there, I could have plenty of room for things like that. Or we could come into the pantry here and we can use these bins for potatoes and onions and garlic like this and still have room on the shelving above it. Whether they stay on a shelf, whether they sit on your countertop, whether you leave them in or out to display them, they have so many uses. I love that they have sturdy tops that turn a basket into a shelf and gives me some versatility in the kitchen.